Hello, hello, hello. So, how is everyone? Okay, let me turn off my TV real quick and let me get my headphones so I can listen to music. So, everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go. How is everyone doing? How is everyone today, guys? Up 1800 big ones. I posted the long in the Discord, did my re DCA, and look at where we are now. Up 1800 big ones. And it doesn't look like Bitcoin is stopping already. I want to have some music. Crazy Cam, you got it to follow you. Yeah. My camera is with me everywhere I go. Let me turn on my music on my phone so I don't corrupt any audio again. I'm here for the full session today. Yeah, me too, guys. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Oh yeah, we're up 2100. How is everyone doing? Hit that like button for me, guys. Oh, we're leaving the screen again, eh? 2,500 big ones. 2,500 big ones. Let's make some money. Hell yeah, that's what we're here for, right? We're here to print. We're here to make money. We're here to get those juices flowing. So what's currently happening? We're approaching order block. We're trying to get back into this range. And I would like to see it get even above this zone, you know? Why? Because that's where it should be. It's the most it makes most sense for Bitcoin to try and reclaim the zone because we held this order block so nicely. Let me get this off the charts. So as of now, my current position with the entry is at 86,790. So that's pretty much the bottom of this. I wouldn't go any lower than mid order block. And I'm looking at a TP of, I think, 89.4. So as of now, still up 1,500 bucks. Yeah. 18 viewers in here. Come on, guys. We can do better than 18 viewers, man. Come on. Vote radar. Use what you can afford, brother. Yeah. Bro, this does not count margin. 5K. You said 1K to 100K. Brother, do I need to show you my history again? Have you checked my YouTube video? Have you checked the previous video? You can't just randomly come in here and say, hey, this doesn't count, this doesn't work, this and that, if you haven't seen the first trade, you know? I will move my YouTube studio to my other screen, because then I can see it easier. But yeah, it's not how it works, bud. What position to take profit, brother? Okay. So, 19 people here. Nice. Let's see if we can beat the 50. First trade was minus 1,000 USDT, right? Guys, If no one checks my YouTube videos, it's a bit senseless to even post them. I put in the Discord, and I don't know if I can share that Discord screen. Probably can't. Guys, the first trade made 5 fucking K. I don't know why do a challenge if people can't even read, you know. Let's see. Copy link. We are here though. Yeah, you guys are here. Check this. Same queue as previous one. Didn't you say close the position in Discord? No, I never said close the position. And this time I posted a picture afterwards. And listen, for me, I make my money anyway, so it's either I do this publicly and you guys like what I do and you guys are happy with it, or you guys are not. I will end at the same place, guys. And that's me making money. I've been making consecutive money for years. I chose to do it publicly now. And now it's up to you guys if you want to be part of it, if you want to do it together or not. But I have been here and I will be here. Guys, watch the previous stream, then you'll understand. Yeah, so I went from 1K to 6K. I took a $800 loss. And that is also... I was even at 10K. So, yeah, I can't find it. Oh yeah, I moved exchanges. That's the reason why you cannot see my previous log. But yeah, made bank thanks to you. You're more than welcome, guys. And indeed, watch the previous one. So what happened is, we made 5K. So from 1K to 6K. And from that 6K, I lost an $800 trade, as you can see in yesterday's live stream. Love what you're doing. We'll be locked in from now on. Yeah. So guys, spam that like button. Spam that like button. Let's see if we can get some more people in here. Because, 28 viewers. Let's see if we can beat the 50 viewers from yesterday. As you can see on the screen, I made a new layout. We're up $1,550 as of now. It looks like this 5 minute is holding pretty nicely. Sorry that I can't give you guys any music because, yeah. This will probably look at all the money I want to give you shit because you did not do risk management. Yeah, but that's the thing. Like my risk, I'm not known for my risk management. If I go to bigger position sizes, especially if I go above 10, 20K, risk will come in. But with 1K, I need to take huge risk to make it, one, interesting, and two, to make it feasible for the time I'm investing in it. Good morning, dude. How have you been, buddy? So up 1,500 prior to New York opening. Let's see what New York is bringing us. I'm hoping on the stop hunt rise. On the stop hunt, I will close this position. Or we're just curious idiots, lol. You were positive to me before. Let's keep the peace in the chat as well, shall we? Especially when we're with not that many people. On which platform are you trading? Currently, I'm trading on Albank. It's a relatively new platform. It's nice. I like it. The UI is good. The UX is good. As you can see, the movement is really freaking nice as well. Liquidity is good. I like it. It's non-KYC. Yeah, I'm gonna need some moderators. Yo, who's always here? Jeezy. Who else is here from the Discord, guys? Jeezy, your mod by now. Arash. Hey, buddy. Your mod. Yes, your mod now, Arash. Thank you. So, Jeezy, Arash, go at it. These are the guys that yeah. No, I'm not using Bitunix. Yeah. So guys, please be nice to each other, okay? Thank you. Titan Rabbit. Yeah, of course I know you. Alice Mod. No Stan. Yeah, I know you as well. Alice Mod. So 89k. Yeah, that's what I'm aiming at. We're up $2,000, boys. Current view is 50, so we're gonna break yesterday's record today. Well, we're being up $2,000 on the account, so the account now total is sitting at a healthy $8,100. But that there might have been a bit of excessive margin there. So we would be at 7,300 with this trade. Hi, Vanya J. How have you guys been? I'm always your food for Roten. Bro, Roten, is it you? Liked your promo video. Thank you so much. I'm very, very happy with it myself as well. And it's something I'm going to pursue and try to do more. So, we have charts open. We have the trade open. Is there anything you guys want to see? You made it yourself? No, we are actually working now with a content creation team. So there are 2 people helping me with my content and improving it. Because, yeah, I'm shit at editing. I'm okay-ish at streaming. Guys, do me a solid. Spam that freaking like button. Get this train up. Get this thing on the road, you know. We're already with 50 people here. I think we can do a lot more. So invite your friends, family, your dog, your mom, your sister, your nephew, freaking everyone you can think of. Secondly, spam that like button. Spam it. Just spam it like I spam buttons in the freaking, yeah. You know what I know. You know what I mean, right? Okay, let me add this song to my playlist. It's actually really freaking good. I saw a question. Why did I take this trade? Well, look. What is happening here? This is the 4-hour order block. Also from the downwards pattern drawn. So when this pattern was way too short because I drew it on the 5 minutes and that's pattern playing on the 5 minutes. Not gonna happen. But this 4-hour order block is a pretty big hold level. It's the same sort of level as the 90k hold level. So what happened is we deviated from it, we went back, we consolidated around the hold level, and from that consolidation we shifted out, retested. So not a vicious, but an exponential move outward was actually due. And after retest, try to shift out, retest again of the same level, it felt for me the right moment to actually get into this trade. It might turn itself against me because, yeah, that's my luck. I put my unborn child in here. That's a very good thing. Always have your unborn child in this chat, especially if I'm talking shit. Do you ever use hedges? No, I don't hedge. The thing is, hedges and everything. Oh, up almost 2,200, boys. Hedges fucks with my head. And I don't like that things are actually fucking with my head. Because the thing with a hedge position is when do you close the one and when do you close the other and where to actually scale it and find the momentum and everything around it. So for me, honestly, no, I don't hedge. It's too confusing of a strategy and too confusing of a setup. I hope that New York Open is going to give us some of that good juice, you know. So we are 30 minutes away from New York opening. 40% secured. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, buddy. I love good hedge with swing trades. Yeah, I might start loving it, but then you explain me where do you choose the hedge? Because for me, a hedge looks like it only eats into profits, or it has to be an insanely exponential move that already happened where you're still holding on to it. I can never find the right moment to get into my hedge position. So I'm honestly open for feedback about how to hedge. Bro, I want to get to 100 people today. That would be so nice. Howdy, nice setup. Thanks, buddy. Thank you a lot. $49 people, and we're still up $1,800. This could go so freakishly fast as soon as New York opens, and I'm so freaking afraid of New York. I can't have music on because of YouTube. YouTube will actively ban me. So that's a bit of an issue. I'm really amazed on how accurate your calls, and you don't make the analysis complicated. You're keeping it simple and easy, yet almost accurate. The thing is, you can add 400 million indicators. You can add 4,000 other stuff. Yeah, they have copyright on the music. The thing is, for me, I look at two things, and I could add a volume profile to this because that's one of the few things I actually like to trade with, were indicators. Favorites, volume divergence, VWAP standard deviation, no. Session volume. So this is the session volume. So I would like to see it to get back to this. That would be the holy grail. This is the only thing for me that would make sense to have on my chart next to the order blocks. For me, there's nothing else that has some sort of relevancy. It's volume coming in and how a candle forms and the momentum of it. And next to it, it's the point of interest, which are mostly dedicated by order blocks. That's also why you see a lot of times, if there's an area of high volume, like this area in between didn't have that much volume. You can see it here, right? So the area from the 89K or 89.6 didn't hold any volume up until here and this part. Look what happens, like exactly. This one is boom, dead immediately. And then it goes here, it consolidates, it bottoms out, it finds the next point of interest, and from there it goes back to the next point of interest as well. So this point of interest and this volume, that's for me one of the only things. It's the only thing I look at. It's where the market wants to go, where's the liquidity, and where's the volume. The rest, honestly, bullshit. Dude, tell us it's challenging trade. You risk too much without telling us anything. Challenge trade. So it is a challenge trade. And yes, I risk too much, but that is my style within these challenges. Until I get to a certain amount and until I have a certain port size, I'm over risking. I know. I'm not doing the right setups. I look at where I actually go. Yo, Quant, how are you? So, guys I actually know pretty well are getting modded. 2K is good profit. That's someone monthly wage in the UK. Yeah. Very nice explanation regarding the volume. Thank you. 54 people. Let's go. Let's get them 100. I'm actually starting to worry about my trade here, man. What should we do? Bro, this is tricky. Yeah, I good morning from the Philippines. Well, good morning to you. What time is it? Jesus. You must be up early, buddy. Yeah, do live every day. Well, I'm honestly considering streaming Monday till Friday because it's it's nice. Blessing, bro, Jeezy. Hopefully you make it year's word in 1 month. Yeah, me too, man. I had VA is going to read as point of control. Yeah, the value area high and the point of control for me are up here. For me, this is... Yeah, let's see if it's actually holding this area before New York open and not insanely shitting itself. It might be interesting. Yeah, I might add it. Let me check. Trading view build and volume fixed range. These is the ones I want. SMC3 used to mark previous day high, low areas of overnight. Volume profiles, multi-distribution, profile zone. Need a good one, man. This looks good. Also, I like this one. I like that one. And I like this one. Multi-distribution volume profile. Okay. It's under the M then, right? Why is it not bigger? That's better. So this also tells me like I would love to see it shift out of here towards the 90k region. It is absolutely something that would make quite a lot of sense. I also like the profile indicators, and these line up perfectly. You know what I mean? Daily is at 87,270. Yeah, that's the daily open. Hi from Luxembourg. Hi back to Luxembourg, guys. So, once again, I would love to see you guys spam that fucking like button. It will make my life a lot easier, and it will make sure that I can bring more fire, more content, and longer ass streams to you guys. Hi from Croatia. Hi back to Croatia. I actually been quite some times in Croatia, and I must say I love the country, man. It's so nice. It's affordable. It's cheap. The people are nice. It's, yeah, great ass country you got going there. How tall are you? You look very tall, bro. I'm 191, 192. Like, yeah. My camera didn't follow me in this, but yeah, I'm tall. Still up 1800. We're hovering here. I think the market is gonna wait for New York Open to actually start doing some more. But it's a nice area to wait from. Yeah, of course, Dutch. So, trading related questions, drop them in the chat. Drop them. It's getting worse by the day, but I think it's like they're everywhere. Love hearing that anyway. What do you think is hearing everywhere? Lower high look great today. Yeah, honestly, the chart looks very upwards. How much you made your first 100k? How you made your first 100k? Oh, my first 100k. No, my scalps can turn into swing trades. They definitely can, depending on the momentum and depending on the move. But in the current market, and that's interesting to tell, I tend to minimize my time in the market. I try to be here as short as possible. Why? Because the market is choppy. It's choppy. And the choppier it gets, the less exposure I tend to have and the less exposure I like to have. Okay, how you made your first 100k? Well, my first 100k was I made good money before from my companies, etc. But it really took off with trading. The 100 to 1k challenge I did 25 times successfully, so that was 25k. And then I made some good spot buys. I bought Solana at 4, and I held it till I think 58. So that was times 12. So that was already 400k, and from there just started accumulating wealth. 1 second. I needed to answer that message. Sorry. So yeah, that's how I made my money initially. Could you explain us your funded challenge strategy? I'm very close to completing my first challenge, but got a small drawback. I'm not desperate. Um, Roderick, I have absolutely no clue what you're asking me here. I don't do funded accounts. So if you can rephrase what you're actually asking me, that would be amazing. Um, the affordability and the people are getting more annoyed by the situation in the country. What situation is that then exactly? Because I only see a lot of good and hear good things about Asia. Well, the chart is still at the same spot, so that's no issue. How much do you risk on a trade for the challenge? In the beginning, I risk too much, man. Honestly, I just look at what the the volume is doing, what the trade is doing, what the market is doing, and especially the first 1 to 5K, I might blow the account, honestly. And I'm absolutely sorry for that. But after 10K, we will pick up risk management. We will do more proper structure and everything around it. That's also why normally I stop doing small challenges. Like, I'm good at 10K to 100K, 100K to 1 million. These are the challenges I can excel in more because it's a different risk strategy. Hit the like button, guys. Exactly. Look, that's a decent comment right there. I can't argue with the guy. So, still 47 of you here, which I'm super grateful of. I really hope that we can get to 100 people today. That would be an absolute goal, to be honest. But let's see what we do. Getting back to Bitcoin. Fuck! I forgot to get my food. Fucking hell. I might burn off my place down. Hello, it's your favorite moron cooking as well. Shit. So, I was having this in the oven, so I have no place to put it. Huh. Such a chaotic guy sometimes. Yeah, I forgot I had it in the oven. And, like, if my mom taught me something, keeping shit in the oven for too long is not a good thing. Now he's doing a self-imposed challenge. What do you mean with a self-imposed challenge? Thought you were trading for a challenge, crypto funded, although I don't really know if this is the right terminology. No, I'm not doing a funded account. I'm just taking my own money and try to 100x my own fucking money. So, no, it's different than what you're thinking, I guess, buddy. Price is hovering around 2K profit. You know, there are worse places to hover. 55 viewers, boys! We're getting towards New York Open, 15 minutes. Let me turn up the heating as well. Yeah, I got everything on my phone. So I built this complete stream setup. I'm redid my whole schedule for the first months of next year. Even if I'm traveling, I'm gonna bring a mobile setup. Because honestly, I'm feeling this, man. I'm feeling live streaming. Annie Puma HK, how much do you risk for those challenges per trade? As of now, too much. Just an honest answer. I need to kickstart this. Yeah. Bro, my entry was absolute horrendous on the other days. It was crazy, man. My entry was getting gate capped by the market makers tremendously. Ooh, these are some nice candles forming here in the 5 second. There's good influx coming. There's nice volume. I can see a pump on open actually. I can 100% see a pump. Do you trade out there or just pause of the day? I trade when there's movement. So for me, the most important thing is that the chart is moving. I can't sit here. I can't sit here when I'm just bored as hell. I can't sit here if nothing is happening. So I try to avoid the sessions where I'm sleeping, like Asia sessions. So mostly I don't have a trade up. I trade preferably New York or a lot of momentum during London. In between, I tend to be out of the market, or at least I try to be out of the market, depending on my position and depending on my. I still trade quite a lot on gut feeling as well, to be honest. So, also my reasoning behind this, like, it's a feeling partially as well, you know. I'm cluttering my chart so much. Bullish. I want to have the same colors as I'm doing for the rest. That's better, right? Yeah, I like that better. Up volume. Make it blue again. Down volume. Oh, no, never mind. Bro, what was this supposed to be? Oh, it was green. Never mind, I won't stop pressing these buttons. Like here it's easier. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. It looks like we're printing, boys. Almost up 2,300 big ones. Yeah. 63 viewers. So happy. You can turn this into a swing. I might actually turn it into a swing. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so grateful for all the support that I've been getting throughout the years. And I can promise you guys one thing, no matter what happens, no matter how big we're getting, no matter if we become the biggest fucking streamer on the shitty YouTube, I'm always gonna remain the same asshole. So 2,400 big ones, yo. What are we saying about that? It's good, no? It's good. Come on. Do you DCA winning positions or just let them run initially? I honestly sometimes I do. Why only wait one at a time, bro? My ADHD. Why 720p? I don't know. I can stream full HD. I can 100% do it, but I cannot find the right buttons within YouTube to get it set up. So if anyone can help me, drop me a freaking DM. Do you DCA winning positions or let them run as initially planned? Mostly I don't DCA. Why? Because it's... The thing is, if you DCA, you have to be more right than you were already right. So if you heavily DCA, if I would DCA in here now, I could add almost 50% of the margin. That means 50% is also increasing my position by 50%. And the increase of my position by 50%, whoa, that's a big one. You know, because it also moves my entry halfway. And if I check this, my entry like halfway would be here. So it's already very much easier and quicker into the danger zone. So I prefer to leave it like this. Honestly, in my opinion. Took some profits off the table. That's always good, brother. Listen, you can't go broke taking profits. It's impossible to go broke while you take profits. Still 60 of you in there, man. Spam that fucking like button. Spam the shit out of it. You know? 2,300 big ones up. Let's see what New York is going to bring us in 10 minutes. 9 minutes, actually. Listen, I hope to see a stop hunt rise in New York. That's what I'm aiming at. I'm aiming at the stop hunt rise, maybe into a dump, but I'm hoping to see New York open green. If I see New York opening green and making a way towards this order block here, it's only 500 away, but that would be like 1.1, 1.2k more profit, maybe even into this volume profile, because as soon as it, look, this is the top of the volume. Between here and 94 is almost nothing. So I think it will skip almost all of 88k. And that's why my take profit is at 89. That would double my account once more. Then we would be over 10k. That would be... Bro, my phone is playing bangers that are not even in my playlist. Damn. Nothing can go wrong with this shit. Was this a challenge trade? Buddy, everything I'm live streaming is gonna be part of the challenge. That's the thing. I'm gonna do the challenge live. Live skin in the game, live trading, live momentum, live emotions, everything. You can also see me through the paces of what is actually happening. Why? Because it's important. Even listen, the thing with trading is it's not just the money. It's not just being right or wrong. It's not pressing green or pressing red. It's how it fucks with your head, you know? And let's be honest, trading fucks a lot with your head, man. I shaved my head because I think I'm getting bored from it. Might as well. But all jokes aside, trading is hard. Trading is hella hard. Why? Because you not have to be right. You need to be sure how long you're going to be right. And you have to be able to work with everything around it. But this is the first episode. No, you started with, oh, never mind, day 3, my bad. No, it's fine. Especially because you have a very big sense of correcting yourself, which I like. It's like a self-cleaning oven, you know? 57 viewers. We're sticking to the 60-ish. Guys, listen. Unborn shouts, everyone, just make a YouTube account and get the fuck in this chat. I hope that we can get to 5k. What do you think? 100k before Christmas? Titan, honestly, have you seen the movement of the chart? This thing sometimes parks itself. Resistance on 60 viewers. Yeah. Bro, I'm resisted by 60 viewers. Yeah, Jeezy, it's actually true. With trading, it's you versus you. It's not you versus the market. It's not you versus the market maker. It's you versus you. And all the influence you get. People on Twitter screaming like, oh my god, we're going to die. Oh my god, we're going to this. Oh my god, we're going this, that, left, right, center, up, down. Bro, have a plan. Execute it. Stick to the execution. And make sure, and that's the most important lesson I learned myself. Most people, they eat like a bird and they shit like an elephant. What does that mean? They make 10 small good profits. For example, you have 1k, you're up 400, 300, 200, 900, 600. And then all of a sudden the account is at, let's say 3.5k. And they're doing good, right? They're doing amazing. But they never seen drawdown. So what happens is the 3.5k mostly gets blown up at once. And that is what happens mostly in trading. Risk management indeed is the most important fucking thing. And it's honestly, I've said it once and I'll say it again, it's what I've been neglecting now. Even though it's going in my favor as of now, but I should always close this trade here. Especially before New York. Look at it. It's at 8,500. What am I even still doing here? But for the sake of the challenge, for the sake of you guys, we broke 60 viewers, 63. Hell yeah, fuck that resistance. Bitcoin should do the same shit. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, risk management. Yeah. Normally, listen guys, if you're not willing to risk it, if this is actually important money to you, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out pre-New York. It's 4 minutes, 6 seconds before the opening of New York. You have no business here. Long Shrek, short Shrek, 8 million, 12 million, 77 million. Do we think it's enough? Weekly open is going to be fuckery to break. It flips Monday high, is likely. Yeah. If we flip Monday high, bro, I'm be sitting here fucking printing. Even the thing is, and that's what I'm contemplating, I think I'm gonna go do some good for the people in my community, for the local people, and also for the people for the local people and everything, I think I'm gonna give away like a good chunk of the money I'm gonna make in this challenge. If I make it to 100k, I'm gonna give away 10k to the Discord, and I'm gonna give away 10k to local shelters, people in need, people who need money, and I might even do it already for Christmas. Just get 5k cash and hand out 50s, just because. No, New York is opening in 4 minutes. My asset is break even, so I don't care if we retrace. Listen, buddy. Honestly, you do care because now you're up money. So if you go stop loss to break even and you're actually... Why is my cam zooming in? Fuck you. Go away. Sorry, what was I saying? So if you actually put stop loss to break even, what you should do is take money off the table. Even if it's 50% or whatever, take money off the table. Cam is in love with you. Yeah, the camera loves me. Giving away money, brother. Yeah, giving away money is always good. Shant is such fun. Thanks, guys. It is important to listen to the camera nose. Camera came to me. Camera can't get enough of me. No, fucking cringe as fuck. I think it's Shanta that said it. TA helps you make money. Risk management lets you keep it. Exactly. Ooh, we're about to open. I have to get back to the 5 minutes here. We're dumping back into the point of control. We're 1 minute 40 out of the madness. The cam has a movement sensor. Yeah. It just follows me. It should, actually. You can't hide from my camera, guys. Just joined, missed the trade. Too bad, buddy. But listen, there will be more trades. Shant is such a funny guy. Yeah, I read that. Give away money, brother. Yeah, we'll give away money. I saw something else about boxing. Your story of being a boxer. Like, I used to fight martial arts almost my entire life. I felt like I needed to challenge myself. I might even get back into the ring again. When the time is there. But as of now, I'm happy with what I do. I'm happy with the life I'm having. I'm happy in the place where I am, and I don't really have the time to train for it. But honestly, I love boxing, man. It's so hard, and it's such a good way, one, to stay fit, two, to stay grounded and everything. It's such a hard sport, man. It's such a hard sport. But it's so much art and so much artisticness and thinking and everything. It's like, yeah, I don't know. A CT boxing event. That's what CFN is, right? It's called Crypto Fight Night. That's pretty much the whole fucking purpose of the thing, I think. So we're at 59 viewers again. Guys, are we just like Bitcoin breaking this or not? How far are we from opening? Oh, we're open, guys. Here comes the madness. Cue the volume. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, there's big buys coming in. It's like announcing fucking horse races. Big volume coming in from the right side in the green. The 2 million, the 4.4 million. Red is trying to take over. Can they beat the green? Looks like a small rejection back into the first 5-second candle of the green. The green is taking over again. Who is going to be in the lead for the first 5-minute candle? More green volume coming in. Let's pump this shit. What do you think about Jake Paul, Anthony Joshua? Honestly, Jake Paul versus Anthony Joshua. I hope Jake Paul has a good fucking life insurance. Balance as a day trader is everything. Yeah, bro. It's absolutely everything. Look at this small consolidation. Looks like a triangle trying to break up. I want to break free. We're seeing quite some red, but it's getting retraced immediately. In the meantime, the trade is up 2,300 big ones. And Luca Tomasini has joined the chat. Hello, brother. Jake Paul wins via bank transfer in round 8. That's the most hilarious comment I've seen today. In terms of bank transfer. 2,400 big ones up again. I want to see at least 3-4K. Come on, keep it rolling, buddy. Oh, it's not breaking out yet. If you took the trade as well. GG's, boys, for everyone who took the trade. What are we doing on a 5-minute time frame? We're breaking up out of it. We should see a stop hunt into the 88k region. That's the only logical thing. 2600 big ones here. When are we calling it quit? When is it enough for a day? Is it enough? Show some love and spam likes. Exactly. Love your stout. Thank you so much, man. Oh, they're retracing it. What's the rat doing? Fuck the rat. Fuck the rat. It's, by the way, a non-child friendly stream. Ooh, a lot of red volume, but they can't compel the green into turning red. Let's keep it here, guys. Keep it here. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Push it. Push it. Push it. Come on. It's a 5-second look at the influx of the red, man. What are the candles actually forming? Green, green. Red volume. Ooh, green in the red volume. Twice. Ooh la la. That should say that we go a bit more pumpy if the volume stays like this. It's a nice opening candle, but it cannot yet find conviction to get above it. Up 2200, big one still. Looks like they're gonna try to retrace this 5-second candle. Green volume still coming in. What position size? I think you can read on the screen, right, or can't you? It's 2.3784 Bitcoin. Show some love and spam the like. Yeah, definitely. Oh, it's breaking down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, Daddy Bitcoin. Why are you doing this to me? It's just the face, guys. It's just the face. Oh god. Crowd might fuck me so hard. We need to see some green ass fucking dildos. Bitcoin has no strength, man. It's your first day here. Yeah. Congratulations. All my condolences. Whatever comes first. I need to switch songs, man. Apparently Bitcoin is not responding very well to this song. But it's retracing pretty hard, isn't it? Oof, big sell volume. Reaccumulation and goes higher, it better does. Otherwise, I'm gonna sit there for quite some time. It's not that far of my entry, to be honest. It's 800 of entry. That would take it at least like a half a candle, right? Oh, this is not a nice rejection. Oh, that's good volume. That's good volume. Apparently it likes rap music better than what I was listening before. Oh, never mind. My apologies, huh? Sorry for being positive about you, guy. 54 people here. We're still struggling with resistance, same as Bitcoin. Why are we struggling with the 60 viewer resistance? What's your main trading platform? As of now, I'm trading on Albank. I'm trying out multiple platforms. Until now, Albank is functioning best for me, to be honest. I like it. It's working very well. It's working good. Doing the job. A lot of liquidity. Nice smooth UI, smooth UX, smooth interface. So that candle is what we need, bro. This is not the candle that we need. Because it might go back here. Yo. Viewers breakout incoming. It fucking better, man. I'm sitting here going through the realms of... Why can't we never have something nice, huh? What is it, Bitcoin? Why can't we never have something nice? .6% dump on New York opening. Really? Really? You had to, right? So it's pathetic. Yeah. Recover it. At least try to fucking recover it. Make up for what? Make up for your behavior. Like I said yesterday, you should have been a bug. BDC, I need money for my family, please. It worked for us yesterday. Mi familia is hungry, come on. Never panic. No, we're not panicking, man. Listen, if I break even, I just fucking reverse my trade too short. Ha. This is such an ugly 5-minute candle, man. And it might as well flip green. But these are the decisive candles. It's not much liquidations happening. But the thing is, like, every green move gets followed up directly by red. Same as here. Impose out, red. Impose, red. Even though, while normally shorts don't get the same impose ratio back down. And that's the problem we're currently seeing. Look. Here you can see impose immediate red. Impose immediate red. Or blue in my case. If you look at the downtrend, and that's the biggest issue as of now, impose nothing, down again. Small recovery, down again. So the complete market volume and complete market structure as of now is just pointing downwards. Bullish retest. Bro, if you can find something bullish in this, GG. 48 viewers. Guys, why are we losing viewers? Now I'm getting sad. Oh well. Still up $1,500. Yeah, it's not looking that bueno, is it? Free money! Everyone, there's free money to get here. Free money. Oh, that looks this could actually be decent. This might be the candle. I'm probably talking way too soon. I like these, the long wicks, the recoveries. They could shift out like with power. Bitcoin, it would be nice if you would actually listen to me saying this shit. No bueno, mucho malo, BTC. Come on. You had a nice candle. Use it. Abuse it. Abuse it. Nice. We're back at 55 viewers, guys. Are we gonna break the resistance? Break the resistance. The 50 minutes looking good. 58. Are we gonna break the 60? We're already 10 more than yesterday. What is your trailing stop for this trade? 1500 profits or as out to be? I've not really thought about it because I'm still I still hope it will hit 5k profit. Mwahaha. Yeah, there's a 71717 cell block. It's this region. This is a bitch. But I don't like the fact that this candle is... Bro, this candle is looking really good. And it's retracing mad. With not that much volume. Even partially green volume. Green, 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 green. It's too easy, guys. Tell the market GG, we're getting fucked here. Real one, stay to the end. Yeah, bro, I'm staying to the end. Listen, it's hella liquidation, right? Oof. Bro, you know what you can also do? Just put in like a casual 10 mil. And look, it all comes from different exchanges as well. Fucking madness. Oh, 2.2 mil the other direction. That memo, nah. We cancelled it. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for playing. So, plan of New York is getting clearer and clearer. It's to fuck us more. Yeah, daily value area high. If we lose this, we probably teleport immediately back. It's a fucking teleportation device. Bro, the fact that it actually managed to almost completely revamp this green candle. No bueno, man. Yeah, that's weird. It's not much more we can do, right? I can close it here for $1,500, but that would be such a pussy move. It's not much news today. Tomorrow is CPI. Nothing. Britain CPI, USD, FOMC members speaking. FOMC members speaking. New Zealand numbers. Nothing remotely interesting. This is interesting. CPI. The rest is This is interesting. I like that. This is... I don't like this, by the way. Oh yeah, that's useful. Bro, you might want to overextend it 400 million times to the right. Jesus. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good recovery from that 5 minute. Where you going, buddy? Where you going? Oh, he's coming back already. Never mind. Sorry, guys. 63 viewers. To me, it shows like 63. Yeah. Oh, Scalback's trading here. What the fuck? Hello, me. Nice to see me, I guess. Me. Yeah, and this is the problem with Bitcoin in general. Exactly this. Exactly this. Looks like a nice impulse to the upside. Looks like good volume, good momentum, and it immediately doesn't have any conviction and it shits itself. So look at the 1 minute chart. It had such a strong opening. Such a good strong opening to this 1 minute candle. And what does it do? It shits itself. And not just a little bit. No. New York already taken... Oh yeah. Bro, I can better hold my mouse here because I gotta fucking work it. Bum and Dumb BlackRock Ponzi. Bro, I don't know whose Ponzi it is, but it's... The thing is, like, in New York, pumping has been so freakishly rare. Check Keller's last post. Yeah, but he has the same thing. Up. But this is... Bro, it's straight down almost 1% since New York. New York hasn't even seen a stop hunt up. Because it opened at... Here. New York has seen 1, 2, 3 green 1 minute candles. 3 green 1 minute candles. For all of New York for the first 17 minutes. Isn't it absolutely ludicrous? And all it did in the meantime was not even remotely up. No. Not even remotely. All it just did was shit the bed. Completely. But yeah. So yeah. Oh, a green candle. Wow. She. Oh yeah, it's following up with a red one, so don't worry. Honestly, Bitcoin is becoming an absolute joke. MM is chasing, yeah. Open NQ M15 short for second. Jesus. Bro, who told Nasdaq to die on itself? %0.5% down on the Nasdaq? That's crazy. Long Asia, short New York. Yeah, bro, there's not much too long. Not gonna lie, there's not much too long. Oh, look who jumped twice and found its balls. Is it actually gonna be strengthful? Nah, right? Oh yeah, there we go. The retrace. Yeah, this is a bit scary, guys. Not gonna lie. Look at Silver is looking okay. Nothing great there. Good recovery on S&P. Good recovery. Very good recovery. Good recovery from Bitcoin as well. Here we go, my baby boy. 65 viewers. Hell yeah! Sorry for yelling at you guys here. My sincere apologies for the rape of the eardrum. Again, my sincere apologies. Oof, Biddy. Look at Biddy doing Biddy things. 70, really? Are we at 70? Oh my god, I can't even see it yet. That would be insane. I would be so grateful for that. I'm grateful for every single one of you. So now we are here apparently with 70 fucking people. Do me one small favor. Hammer that like button! Thank you. Thanks in advance. Just keep on spamming it, you know? It's one of these things you can't press too much. And let's be honest, all our wives, they always complain about the fact that we can't find a G-spot or whatever. So let's show them that we can actually find a spot. And in this time, it's the like button. Come on, Betty. Come on, be a good Betty. Be a good Bitcoin. Who's a good Bitcoin? Yes, you. There we go, boys. Moon this shit. Brrr. Up 3K, boys. This is the volume I'm looking for. This is what I want to see. This is what I love. This is it. 4K. Jesus. Holy shit. I told you guys it would teleport. 47. 47. We might need to close. How the fuck do I close? 42, 41, 4. No. No, get back up. 42. No. Go higher. There we go again. 44. I think I'm gonna... I might call it here. 45, 47. Closed, guys. 4,500. 4,585 bucks. 4,500 big ones, boys. That's how you trade. That's how you trade, boys. I hope everyone saw it live on camera, alright? Account value now is at 10K. And we're even going higher as it seems. Whew! 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 Look at that candle, boys. Look at that candle. Ooh. That's a nice candle. That's a nice candle. I might have closed too soon still. Oh no, it's retracing already. So, can I share this somehow? Can I share this trade? Oh, I need to do it differently. Hell yeah. And take profit hit on the full trade as well, boys. We missed out on some of it, but that's not really mattering that much, I think. Bitcoin in general might go higher as well still, but I think this goes for an expose, right? What did I screenshot here? Can anyone explain that to me? Am I actually that retarded? Yes, I am. Begging you, day 3 of 1000 to 100k challenge plus 4500. That's what we're talking about, boys. Asia for reserves. What is the position size with USDT? So my position size was, and you can check it back, 4,500. So it was, okay, how do I do this? Order history. Yeah. Open long. So I opened, let me see. Open long, 40x, details. No fucking clue. $2.67 Bitcoin. So, that. Bro, really cooked today. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much. So, I still closed too early. Because I closed at 88.7. So I left more than 1k on the table. But we still made 4,500 big ones and 88%. So that's pretty nice. Which I think is pretty freaking nice. I'm happy with that. What about you guys? Spam the like button if you also like it. That's a good one. Bruh. Guys, I might have closed too soon again. But we're now approaching the value area high. Look at that nice green dildo. Let's fucking go, Shanto. Thank you, guys. Spam that fucking like button, guys. Come on. Spam that button. Doesn't matter as long as you made profits, bro. Yeah, it's true. It's true. But, you know, leaving this amount of money on the table it's never fun. Because I could have had another 2.5 to 3k. Bro, look at where it's going, man. It's annihilating. It's absolutely annihilating. I have to get these two off to make the screenshot. Who is the other one? Wow, huh? Am I blind? Oh, there it is. Trash this. So, guys. Whew, feels good, right? Okay, let's stream some more. Because why quit here, right? Oh no, I'm posting it wrong. I want to post shit in the Discord channel because Discord saw it first. Right, Discord saw it first. this works so useless. $1,100K day one. It's already starting to retrace, guys. Okay, I'm back. Where's my YouTube studio? Hello? There you are. Sorry guys, I'm still getting used to... Oh no, what did I do? Still get used to streaming. Why is ETH lagging? I don't know, is ETH actually lagging? Ooh, Nasdaq is also... Ooh. ETH, USDT, perpetuals. I want to have the Bybit one. More ETH is not that much lagging, eh? Might be in general, but it is a 4% move. I don't really call that lagging, to be honest. It's outperforming even. Oh, Biddy is going at it again. Currently nothing to see here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know what to trade. I honestly don't know what to trade. 88 might be a good freaking area for a scalp backup. Not gonna lie. Might actually be a very, very good thing. But as of now, next point of interest. I think we scraped the point of interest. Now it's do or die for Bitcoin. Either it goes back to 87.4 or 92.3. The rest is neglectable. If it was me, I would probably short the fuck out of it. But the thing is, I also know... I know when to quit, you know? ETH is not even lagging. ETH is outperforming Bitcoin. It looks like it could at least take 50% of this wick. So that would be a good 1.2k move. How much has been liquidated? Oof. Oof. Rough. That's rough. I swear, now what you're gonna see on Twitter, breaking. So much liquidated. We know. Shut up. Sorry for that. Oh yeah, I want to see Soul break. Oh, I love Solana. I love Solana. Ooh, Bitcoin's actually going for the 90k. Oof, I left so much money on the table. Oh my god. Yeah, ETH is really lagging, huh? Where is it at the 4 hours? Oof. Oof. I'm really tempted to short it here, but I know better. Should we go in a little bit? 0.5 Bitcoin? Why? Because I like to be in the market. I like to have a feeling for it. It's violent, this one, eh? It's a violent one, eh? Up $100. Especially on the 5 minute, this is so much violence. So violent. That is 3.6% in 20 minutes. Like, I know I was complaining, right? And I know I was complaining about it being a bitch and everything, but let's be honest, this is a different fucking league yet again. Like, bruh. Let's see what Solana did. Boy, straight line, 5%. It's crazy as well. Like, come on. You're leaving a small runner, maybe wait for the next 4-hour candle. Yeah. Bro, what I'm doing here is absolutely stupid and do not follow me. It's hideous, ridiculously stupid. I'm just aiming at the mid retrace and try and see if I could, by the love of God, take out another K. Because it blasted into the weekly open. It just absolutely humiliated it. So, yeah. So, listen. Do people still... I still think I'm undervalued, man. I scrape out another $200. Could have been 1K plus at this point if I went full margin. Even more, maybe even more. How much can I actually do? Oh, 4 Bitcoin. Woo! Muy caliente. Now it's starting to look like something, you know? Oh, aggregated trade is lagging. I have to switch to the other aggregated trade, I guess. Or did my whole stream just collapse? Bro, did my whole stream just fly out?